Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video we're going to be taking a look at a pair of clippers. Now, pretty sure, I don't know if I'm going to be including it, but just guess what color I have right now. If it's the black and gold, the ombre type blue thing, or the silver. Just guess which one I got. Alright, so this is good for like designs or outlines, or basically just, you know, how clippers work. I don't know if you guys know how clippers work, and you basically know. If you don't know anything about clippers, this is not one of those things where you can make your whole haircut with it. This is just like a finishing touch for hair, and like final designs and whatever like that, to like make straight edges and like for hairlines and for the hairline and whatever like that. So that's basically what it is. Let's get into it real quick. So we have some guards, the manual, the clipper itself, and we did get the full gold one. And then we have the charging cable. That's everything else. So here is the operating manual. It says we have a 5-volt DC USB charging cable, three guards, a brush. There's no oil, I don't think. I don't know why it says oil. And then USB. And then it shows you how to take out the blade. You just take out 2 Phillips screws and then you're good to go. And then it says right here some other instructions. This one is 0 gapped, which means it will be cutting at its best length. So yeah, this is a 600 milliamp capacity. It charges in about 2 hours. So yeah, pretty much all. But usually this will last you a very long time because it is a lithium-ion battery, and for something this small, it's really good and it'll last a really long time. So right now it has a protective guard on the clipper itself, just to keep it from dust and stuff. Here is the clipper itself. Looks really cool. And then the on and off button is on the bottom, as well as the USB Type-C port, which is really cool that it's USB Type-C for fast charging and stable charging. And here's the cable. It is a really nice length cable, and the quality on it is pretty decent. Let's look at the guards real quick. Right, so we have a brush. One is a more narrow brush, and then the other one is like a flat edge. So yeah, you can like clean it before you use it and stuff to get hair out of the way. So you have a 1, a 2, and a 3 millimeter guard. I'm probably not going to use any. I'm going to use it on 0 gap. So yeah, so this is basically what it comes with. Let's go ahead and get the thumbnail real quick. Okay, so let's go and turn it on. So you just press the button on the bottom. Now they do have ceramic blades, which means you're not going to get cut from them very easily. As you guys know, ceramic blades are really amazing. My first unboxing knife was a ceramic blade. They are very sharp, very effective, and you cannot get cut from them. Well, you can, but that's if you're like purposely trying to cut yourself, but I wouldn't recommend that. Good. So it has like a diamond hex pattern on here, and for extra grip, and it is really easy to handle. And you know, you could just like do like little edges and all that. I'm gonna probably be showing you my haircut with after this, depending if I cut it good, and then I'll just do the outside for the hairline and the sideburns and all that. So that's basically what it's good for. And you can also do designs. I haven't mastered designs yet. I never even tried it on a self haircut, but if I want to eventually, then this would be perfect. So yeah, let's go ahead and just charge this a little bit more, and then we'll go ahead and start our haircut. But without further ado, this retails for about 30 to 40 bucks on Amazon. It's pretty good priced for a really high quality product, but we're gonna see how it performs right now. Alright, so this is normally my setup. I usually have a neck duster, some Clubman powder, the wall clippers, 4 guards. I have a half, a 1, a 1.5, and a 2, some scissors, a brush, like a little brush. Also use a comb, which I didn't put in here, but I have a comb, and then I have a mirror. And then I use this to clean everything up. It's the Boogie vacuum. So we're going to start off with lubricating the blades themselves, just to, you know, make it nice and fresh and slightly clean it. So yeah, let's use that first. Alright, so I don't know if you guys can see it, but I went ahead and used the clippers, zero gap them all the way around the edge, and I think it looks good. So let me know your thoughts. I still have to blend it a little bit more. It looks decent. It was only like a 10-20 minute haircut. Usually I take a lot longer, especially when blending it, but yeah, that's basically what I did. But overall, I think these are really good. As you can see, professional hair clippers. Yeah, I really like these clippers. They're really good. They cut really well. And I noticed when you're cutting like this, you know, when you're tapering your hair, you like the lines, I don't know how to explain it, the edges and stuff, they're nice and crisp lines. You just do that and then pull back. You pretty much know how to cut hair, basically, if you're watching this video, or if you don't and you're trying to look for a clipper. Anyways, after first use, it's kind of dirty, so that's why it comes with the brush. But anyways, for like around 30 bucks, this is definitely worth it. And this is right here that it lasts for about 90 to 120 minutes. So this can use for about 20, 40, 60. So this can use for about 6 uses on a full charge for each minute. So this can use for about 6 uses if you use them 20 minutes on average. Which I don't think you'll be using it for that long, because it's only like, you're gonna only be doing the edges and stuff like that, and the hairline and stuff like that. So yeah, but this is really high quality. It's made out of metal, obviously. Very high quality. I really like it. It's really nice looking. It's very small, compact, and I like that it has Type-C. Very unique for Type-C. Usually you see a different type, like an AC or an AC to DC or something like that. Yeah, but this one is definitely worth it, and you can use it, as you can see, for your beard if you wanted to. Definitely would help. And I like that the ceramic blades does not even hurt when you're going against your skin. It just glides right over it, which looks really nice. It does not pinch the skin at all, and I've went several times like this, as well as like this, and does not pinch your skin at all. So definitely worth it. I definitely check this out in the link in the description. I'll leave a link in the description for you guys to check it out. You can buy it if you want. It has no reviews on Amazon right now because it is a new product, but as a tester and reviewer, definitely really love this product. I actually did need something like this, similar to this, not an EXO, but like just something that could cut really good and cut near to bald, but without balding it, you know? Because from balding it, you'd have to have several different clippers to be able to blend it in more, but this one definitely helps out a lot. It's close to balding, not super hard, but you know, this is my first time using it. And it is a little bit harder to blend, but I have to get that part down with the new clipper, obviously, because it's newer, and all that stuff like that. But yeah, it was easy to clean. All I did was oil it down, and just the haircut looked overall really good, and it went out. And yeah, so definitely really good. It's not one of my best haircuts, obviously, because it was the newest. I'm gonna cut that part out. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.